I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and signal ready. Plug the Lightspeed dongle into a direct USB port or use a short extender to avoid interference. Once charged to at least half, power the mouse on and confirm the LED pattern for pairing. This indicates the radio is active. Make sure no other wireless mice are actively paired on the same dongle. Then, position the mouse next to the dongle and keep it still while you proceed to the software steps. Once the dongle is inserted and the mouse is on, open Logitech G Pro. The software detects a Lightspeed device. Follow prompts to complete pairing. Update firmware immediately, updates fix stability and latency. After updating, set your preferred DPI and a 1000 Hz polling rate for the lowest latency. Use profile slots to save sensitivity and button mappings. Make sure the power saving settings are configured so the mouse finish by testing in your usual games or a tracking test app. Check for skips, jitter, or drops. If you see problems, replug the dongle into a rear motherboard port or use the extender to move it away from clutter. Once done, repair in GHUB and rerun firmware. Many issues resolve there. If disconnects persist, fully charge the battery overnight and test again. One key tip: interference is often the culprit. Remove nearby USB hubs, Bluetooth devices, or metal objects and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.